Mark my words, if you're not learning Playwright in the next 90 days, somebody else is going to replace you, because Selenium is not enough. Manual testing is not enough, right? Everyone knows about it. New stack of QA right now in 2026 is all about the Playwright+AI. What if I tell you that there is a complete roadmap I have built for you guys in 90 days clear-cut program, or a step-by-step, day-by-day approach that you need to follow, where you will be also creating a 10 exercises per day for next 90 days, how you can too become an automation tester with the help of AI. I'm going to share with you what is the complete, no bullshit everyone. Please remember, you don't have to watch hundreds of videos of Playwright. You don't have to go anywhere. In this session, I will be giving you a clarity. What is the roadmap that you need to follow? How many topics you need to learn for Playwright as well as AI, and which are the projects that you can do, especially because combine Playwright with lot of interesting tools, right, of related to AI, agents, MCPs, RAGs, right? What happens in this case? I'm going to discuss with you complete roadmap in this case. So make sure that you watch it. First of all, everyone, why you are not able to become an automation? The number one reason is ki, sir, is it Playwright is the real choice? Selenium app, I'm already using lot of opportunity there, right? But trust me, 2026, because Playwright has so many good features, right? Selenium has become slow. Many companies have already started migrating from Selenium to Playwright, that we already know it. I wanted to give you, first of all, you need to see this roadmap, which is very clear indication. Your question will be ki, sir, which one should I choose? JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, which one in the Playwright, right? First of all, I will tell you with the data also. You can go to Perplexity and right now search, give me the weekly downloads of the Playwright with TypeScript, Playwright with Python, Playwright with the Java. I already had a data, I have research about it, that Playwright with TypeScript basically is leading right now. Most of the companies have started using TypeScript. So our focus will be, first of all, learning the first 30 days. Our focus majorly will be JavaScript. Second 30 days, our majorly focus will be in TypeScript and Playwright basics as well as medium. And the last part of 30 days, your task will be to go towards the advanced framework plus AI concept. Now, a lot of people will say, sir, what is the correct roadmap? Now, this is a roadmap that I have already given to you. If you need this roadmap, type roadmap in the chat. I will share with you free of cost. I'm also going to give you a day-by-day repository, which you should be using it afterwards. Okay, so just wait for it. So roadmap wise, we are clear that 90 days, if you start giving 1 hour per day, this is the most important thing, everyone. Here is the focus. If you have to give 1 hour per day, which is around 4 to 5 hours per week, that is more than enough. I'm pretty much sure all of you can do it. Okay, then you need to do 10 exercises or lab exercises or learning exercises per day. I'm not saying 50, 25, no, only 10 lab exercises. What do you mean by this? You need to exercise. Let me show you with the properly. In the JavaScript, for example, I have given you a particular topic. You need to do almost 10 exercises and do a practice and upload them directly into the GitHub. A lot of people will say, sir, I don't have a knowledge of GitHub. We have already covered on Testing Academy channel. So you can see the GitHub tutorials already. Okay. Even if you don't know right now, Visual Studio with Copilot, Anti-Gravity, Cursor, AI, if you're using, you know how to push the code direct. 10 exercises daily, you need to do it for 90 days. So these will be like 900 plus exercises, but I'm assuming that all of you are lazy. I am saying don't do like 90 days, only do 400 maximum. Okay. This is the repository which I'm going to share with you. You can download this repository. By the way, it is going to be private after some time, which contains all the topics of JavaScript, TypeScript, Playwright, Advanced and everything. Not only this, you need to understand the page object model, Cucumber also, plus how to use Docker, Jenkins, GitHub Actions with the AI. Now, in the AI world also, there are things related to agents, MCP and RAG. How you can basically combine the Playwright with the AI. This is what exactly you need to learn in the upcoming tutorial. So I'm going to show you one of the repository as well as link also. You need to type roadmap in the chat. Guys, target is 100 comments and 100 like. When we have it, I will give you access to my daily tracker, which I have specially created for you guys. This is the daily tracker in the Excel format. And this is a daily tracker, specially an application created for you, where you can daily track your progress day by day. Every day you can track your progress, what you have done in the day by day. Plus, if you go to the Playwright, complete roadmap of JavaScript, TypeScript or proper Playwright advanced framework, all the modules, all the topics I have noted down for you, so that you don't have to go anywhere in the chat everywhere. Okay. Not only this, apart from this, my recommendation will be there are more than 400 exercises as a practice that you need to do. I have created almost 300 plus exercises. Now it has moved to almost 400 day by day, 10 exercises that you need to do. Apart from this, sir, what about the project? The third thing basically comes in key, sir. Roadmap is clear, topic is clear, but what about project? Which projects I have to do, especially with the AI also. Now, here I have noted down more than 36 plus projects that you can do with the hint, everyone. If you open anything, you will see the hint as well as you build plan, how to build it, and code and notes also side by side. Isn't it awesome? So complete full platform I have created for you guys, especially for the 90 days, so that you don't miss anything at all. even if you have a coding fear, even if you know, if you have if you give 1 hour per day, all of you as a manual tester, as a fresher, or even as an automation tester with Selenium, you can start learning Playwright directly. And trust me, mark my words, if you have Playwright plus AI agents, RAG, MCP knowledge, you are the one who will get a 40% hike. You are the one who is going to replace other people who don't have the knowledge. This is the most important thing which I want to tell you about this. Okay, so there are almost 36 projects which I have mentioned here. Apart from this, here is the AI tools that also you can create. What if you basically add a beautiful AI analyzer to your Playwright? That's what you can do. What if you can have your AI learning where full cheat sheets and everything, how you can implement the Playwright with the flaky test case. For example, dflaky.com, right? How you can basically implement your flaky test case play area analysis by using AI. So you need to mix up your Playwright plus AI knowledge also subsequently, which is very, very important nowadays. Okay, this is exactly full roadmap which I have created for you here. The roadmap, the topic sheet which is there, note sheets, as well as a complete migration guide, especially for you guys, how to migrate from Selenium to Playwright. I have basically created for you, everyone. So if you go to this guide also, especially how you can basically migrate, 7-step process, how you can basically migrate to the overall Selenium to Playwright also, that we are going to discuss. Okay, so this, what if we have a live batch? Yes, again, I just want to tell you, so you can follow along with this again if you want to. But if you are looking for a live batch, guys, we are starting a complete fresh new live batch for especially for the people who wanted to enroll into this. There is a live batch where we will be following the same roadmap for next 90 days, where we will be learning not only Playwright as well as AI with the complete things I have shown you, where we will be doing the creating our own advanced framework with the AI. That basically not with the AI, I mean to say that we will create a framework, then we will add a test case by using Playwright MCP, Playwright AI agents, Playwright CLI, all the things complete guide that you need to do. So I'm pretty much sure now you know how exactly roadmap you need to follow, what is the topic sheet that you need to follow, and what are the projects that you need to do with the AI. And in the end, after 90 days, you don't have to stop your learning. A lot of people, they stop learning. No, you need to now make sure that you complete your framework and start adding frameworks by using the AI in this case. You need to combine with the Anytime. You can combine with the Langflow. You can combine with the RAG-based systems also to make it AI failure analysis, push your code into the AI dashboards, and many more things that you can do afterwards. Okay, so this is a complete plan. I am pretty much sure everyone have loved it. If you need the details, roadmap will be there. And if you are planning to enroll into the live batch, enrollment has already started. There will be a link in the chat also. You can join it. I'll see you in the next video. If you need more help, I will be coming up with the more tutorials related to the Playwright, where we will be teaching you migration guide, where we'll be teaching you more things also. Okay, give a like and subscribe and type roadmap in the chat. I will share each and every links to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. And if you want to join the live batch, description. Bye bye.